Have you ever imagined a creature so huge that even 3 dinosaurs would look tiny beside it? A creature whose tongue alone could hold a full-grown elephant and whose heart weighs as much as a horse. The Argentinosaurus was the largest land animal ever to walk the earth, about 70 tons. But if you lined up 3 of them end to end, they still wouldn't match the size of a single blue whale, the largest creature to have ever lived. This magnificent animal can gulp down hundreds of tons of water in one breath. Its heart pumps about 500 liters of blood with every beat, and its call can travel over 800 kilometers through the ocean. Today, we'll dive deep into the mysterious story of the blue whale, the true giant of our planet. Millions of years ago, when dinosaurs ruled the Earth, one of them stood above the rest, Argentinosaurus. It was nearly 35 meters long and weighed 70 tons, roughly the size of a massive truck. Now imagine 3 of them together, that's about 210 tons. And yet, a single blue whale can weigh even more than that. It's so enormous that even an Airbus A320 jet would look small beside it. Its tongue weighs nearly 3 tons, equal to a full-grown elephant. And its heart, as big as a small car, large enough for a human to crawl inside. This is why scientists call it the largest animal on Earth. But how did it become so big? Was it simply because it lives in the ocean, or is there a deeper scientific reason? For years, scientists believed whales grew huge because water supports their weight, but that's only half the truth. The real secret lies in how they eat. But first, a fun fact. Many people think the blue whale is the longest animal in the world, but it's not. In the deep ocean lives a creature called the bootlace worm, which can stretch up to 55 meters long. However, it's incredibly light, so by weight, the blue whale still holds the crown. An average blue whale weighs 150 tons, and some even reach 200 tons. They can grow up to 30 meters long. Their massive heart beats only 5 or 6 times per minute, each beat pushing 500 liters of blood through their colossal body. Their calls can reach 150 to 180 decibels, loud enough to be heard from 500 miles away. Imagine hearing a whale in New York while you're sitting in Boston. The blue whale isn't a fish, it's a marine mammal. That means it gives birth to live young instead of laying eggs. When a baby blue whale is born, it already weighs 2.5 to 3 tons and measures about 8 meters long. It gains nearly 90 kilograms every single day, drinking up to 400 liters of milk. Milk so thick, it looks like toothpaste and contains 10 times more fat than cow's milk. Blue whales have no permanent home. They roam across all the world's oceans, spending summers in cold waters near Antarctica and winters in the tropical seas. Each year, they travel thousands of miles in search of food. And what do they eat? Tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill. During feeding, a blue whale opens its enormous mouth and takes in nearly 200 tons of water at once. Then, using baleen plates, natural filters hanging from its upper jaw, it pushes the water out and traps the krill inside. Each day, a blue whale eats up to 4 tons of these tiny creatures. This unique filter feeding technique is the secret behind its size. It allows the whale to consume massive amounts of food while using very little energy. Around 30 million years ago, whales began to evolve. During the Ice Age, colder oceans forced them to travel long distances in search of food and breeding grounds. To survive these long journeys, they developed larger bodies for energy storage and endurance. Bigger bodies also meant better protection against predators. And over millions of years, that's how the blue whale became the ocean's undisputed monarch. But did you know, 100 years ago, blue whales were even bigger. Some reached 33 meters and weighed over 210 tons. Then came the age of whale hunting. Humans began killing them for oil, meat, and baleen, which was once used to make corsets and lamps. In the 1930s alone, more than 50,000 blue whales were slaughtered in a single year. By the mid-20th century, they were almost extinct. Finally, hope arrived. In 1982, the International Whaling Commission banned commercial whaling. By 1986, the ban took effect worldwide. Today, only about 10,000 to 25,000 blue whales remain, a small fraction of the 150,000 plus that once filled the oceans. Most of them are now found in the Antarctic and North Pacific waters. But the question remains, can we truly save them? The blue whale is not just an animal. It's a symbol of balance, a warning, and a reminder of our duty to protect the planet we share. So let's love nature, let's protect the blue whale, and let's share its incredible story with the world. If you enjoyed this story, give this video a like, tell us in the comments which facts surprised you the most, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating stories like this. See you in the next video.